Why is the universe so big if, like, humans only live in such a small space?
Do they?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's
what I'm
right. See,
asking.
that's right. You can see, for any of us, no matter what our stage of development, there's things we don't know, isn't there? So that's a very important thing to remember, isn't it? That there's a whole heap of things we don't know. Now, there's things that Mary and I know that you don't know, but there's also things you don't know that other people don't know. And then there's things that Mary and I don't know as well. You know, of course. And of course, God knows everything. So this is something that should help us with something that I'd like to talk about a lot more with you today, which is the word perspective. So the question was, why is there such a big universe when it seems there's such a small amount of people? But we don't know there's a small amount of people. We also don't know that there might not be other Earths, and in fact there are other Earths. Like I've met the people from the other Earths. Well, when I say met the people, I've met usually 2 people from the other Earths only at this stage. But that was when I was in the soul union state with Mary. We met people who were in the same state with from other Earths, 6 other Earths at this stage. And we met them and conversed with them, and they told us their experience and we told them ours, so that we know for certain those Earths exist. But that's only 6 in entire, huge space. What's God's purpose for the rest of that space? Is a good question, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And it is something that's worth considering for your future, is why would God create such a huge expanse only to have most of it empty? Is that God's intention? So obviously it wouldn't make sense that it's God's intention, would it? So obviously there's got to be something going on there as well.